If you've ever wondered why some people seem to manifest effortlessly while others struggle, stay with me. This video is about to shift everything for you. Welcome back to my channel where we talk all things manifestation, mindset, self-development, and nervous system regulation. And if you've ever felt like you're stuck in a cycle of wanting more but not knowing how to actually make it happen for yourself, then you're in the right place. My name is Danny. I'm a mindset, manifestation, and nervous system regulation coach, and I help women reprogram their minds to attract a life that they love and desire. Today, we're going to be diving deep into manifestation, what it actually is, how it works, the biggest misconceptions, the biggest mistakes that are keeping you stuck, and of course, a step-by-step process to manifest anything that you desire. So grab a journal, get comfy, and let's get started. Oh, and if you love this kind of content, make sure that you like, subscribe to this channel so that you never miss a video. Okay, let's do it. What is manifestation and how does it actually work? All right, so the basic thing is that manifestation is actually not this like super complex topic that so many people have made it out to be like. Manifestation is the art of essentially creating your reality by aligning your thoughts, your beliefs, and your energy with your desires. Manifestation is the act of taking an idea, of taking what is in the consciousness and bringing it to life in the 3D world. That's it. That's all manifestation is. The thing is that you're always manifesting. Whether you like it or not, whether you believe in it or not, every single moment, your thoughts, your emotions, and your energy are shaping the world around you. The key, though, is to actually do this intentionally, to choose your thoughts, to shift your beliefs in alignment with what it is that you want to create, what it is that you want your reality around you to be like. Think of it like tuning into a radio. If you want to listen to your favorite music, then you don't just sit hoping that the song that you want or the genre that you want is gonna magically appear. You tune into the right frequency. Manifestation works essentially the same way. You have to tune in your mind, your energy, and your beliefs to the frequency of what it is that you're trying to call in. Okay, so how does it actually work? Let's break it down. A lot of people get stuck because they're just wishing for something rather than intentionally creating it. Manifesting with intention requires a deep belief in the possibility of your desires, while wishful thinking just kind of lacks that necessary conviction. For example, you can't just say, I want more money, while deep down believing that you're bad with money or that every single time that money comes to you, you're gonna spend it or making money is hard. Your subconscious beliefs are going to override. They're always going to override your desires if they're not in alignment. So how do we shift from wishful thinking to intentionally manifesting? That brings us to the next point, which is your energy and your frequency. I don't know if you know this, but if you don't, here's the truth. Your beliefs, not your desires, shape your reality, period. You don't get what you desire, you get what you believe. You don't get what you want, you get what you believe in. So what you believe to be true about yourself, your worth, and your potential will always shape your life experiences. Your energy is the vibration you put out into the world. It's what people feel when they're around you. It's what the universe responds to, and your frequency is what determines what you're essentially attracting. Imagine two people walking into a room. One person radiates confidence and joy and abundance. You're automatically attracted to that person. While another person walks in and you can tell that they're consumed by self-doubt, fear, or even scarcity, who do you think is going to attract more opportunities here? This is why we want to start shifting our energy from lack and fear through practicing things like gratitude, raising our self-worth, rewiring our self-concept, and surrounding ourselves with the right influences. Okay, but even with all this knowledge, many people still make major mistakes that block their manifestation. So let's talk about what not to do. Mistake number one, doubting your worthiness. If you don't believe you're worthy of receiving what you want, you'll unconsciously push it away. Something that I recently heard that actually just like clicked for me was that there's a lot of us who are in the self-development world who believe in manifestation, who believe that manifestation is real, but we don't actually believe that it's possible for us. So doubting that manifestation is for us, doubting that the thing that we want is for us, is one of the number one mistakes that we do, and that's keeping us stuck. Number 2 is focusing on lack instead of abundance. When you focus on what you don't have, you attract more of that. So instead, we want to shift to a mindset of abundance. We want to practice feeling gratitude for what we do have in this moment, even if it's air, even if it's as simple as the amount of fresh air and oxygen that we have that is still in abundance. Once you take the focus of what you don't have, and once you shift it into what you do have, you are going to attract more abundance. Mistake number 3 is being super attached to the outcome. Attachment creates resistance. So instead of obsessing over when it's gonna happen, trust that it is happening, because the reality is that it is. And we don't know how things are going to manifest around us. That's the beauty of life. But once we have the conviction that it is going to happen for us, we can let go of the attachment of how it's happening or of the outcome. Because at the end of the day, what if you're blessed with more than what you asked for? Now that we know some of the mistakes that we want to avoid, let's go step by step through the exact process to manifest anything. This is my manifestation process. This is what I actually do. This is how I've manifested my husband, my son, our dream home, a move here to Austin, so many different vacations, so many paid vacations. We actually, in this move, manifested the entire move was paid for us twice. My dream career. This is the exact step-by-step process that I use to manifest all those things, and that I still do till this day to continue to manifest and create a reality that feels super in alignment with me. Number 1 is to declare your desires. Get clear on what you want, write it down, visualize it, own it, believe in it. Number 2 is to identify any resistance that comes up when you think about those desires. So any limiting beliefs, we need to acknowledge them so that we can reprogram them with empowering ones, with empowering beliefs. Step number 3 is to embody the energy. Start showing up as the person who already has it. Speak like her, move like her, become her, because essentially the person that has all those manifestations, it's not just like some other version of you. It's you. It's this version. So if you start embodying that and start becoming her right now, the creation process is taking place. Number 4 is to take aligned action. Manifestation is not just about thinking. We're not magicians here, although we are alchemists, but it's also about doing. It's about taking inspired actions and taking inspired steps towards your goal. Step number 5 is to receive and allow. And I know that a lot of people have kind of a difficulty in this step, and it's to have that faith, have that trust, have that conviction that your desires are yours, and they're already, they are meant to be yours. They're meant to be fulfilled, and they are going to be fulfilled, but you have to have that faith. You have to have that conviction, attaching yourself of how it's going to come about, while also being open to receiving in ways that you've never experienced. We have to, you can't receive with your arms closed. You have to open up. You have to allow for the universe to deliver. With that being said, I just want to leave you with one final message, and it's that manifestation is not about forcing. It's truly about aligning with yourself, aligning with your desires, aligning everything around you to create the reality that is meant for you. You are so freaking powerful. You have no idea. You're so worthy. That worthiness it's your birthright. And truly know and understand that you can create anything that you want and you desire. If this video resonated, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this. And if you're ready to go deeper, you're welcome to check out any of my resources that I've linked in the description box. With that being said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.